The size of an email attachment still can't exceed 25 megabytes. We've done videos about it before and it still hasn't changed. What has changed, however, is the ability to compress video files with an even higher ratio while maintaining its quality. In this video, I'll show you how. So the last time we made a video about sending a large file through email, I had to compress a file multiple times, eventually ruining its quality, or use an external transfer site or cloud service, which I'm not gonna lie, is a bit of a cheating. Another problem with that is that transfer links usually expire, so attachments can get lost. And your cloud service will get full over time, and you only get 15 gigabytes for free with Google Drive, for example, which you'll use up faster than you'd think. But in this video, we're gonna do it differently. The compressor tool in the UniConverter has been upgraded, and now it has the AI compression mode. We've talked about it before on the channel, but now we'll use it for a different purpose. So if you don't have the UniConverter, be sure to get it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Once you have it, find the compressor tool in the video section of the software. Now, the compressor works with multiple files simultaneously, so import all of your files here. Then either go file by file, setting up individual compression settings, which could be necessary if the files have very different sizes. Otherwise, just click right over here and set up the same for all. Okay, as you can see, you may choose between basic and AI compression modes. The difference is in the compression ratio. The AI method can perform a significantly higher one while keeping the quality as high as possible. We're gonna choose this option. Now, unlike with the basic compression here, you won't see the estimated output file size. So you might need to experiment with it, but I'll set it to 70% to start out. Alright, the output format is MP4 for the AI mode, and you can't change that. So click on OK, and after choosing an output folder, click on Compress All. Now let's see the result. This file will be perfectly within the 25 megabyte limit, and the quality is absolutely good. So with the compressor, you won't need transfer sites and cloud storages anymore to send large video files via email. Obviously, for other file types and for extremely large ones, this won't work, but for average ones, absolutely. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and if so, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.